Ever uploaded a YouTube video and got just 7 to 10 views? And most of those were from you refreshing the page? Sound familiar? Meanwhile, other creators are blowing up with thousands of views, and you're wondering, what are they doing differently? Well, today, I'm giving you the ultimate Stickman Success Formula, the exact steps top YouTubers use to grow fast. And if you stick around till the end, I'll reveal the #1 mistake that's stopping most new YouTubers from succeeding. So, are you ready? Let's go! Step 1. Pick a profitable and evergreen niche. The first mistake new YouTubers make: picking the wrong niche. If your niche is too broad or something people aren't searching for, you'll struggle. Here's how to fix it. Go to YouTube's search bar and type a keyword related to your niche. If auto-suggestions pop up, that's good. It means people are searching for it. You can also use Google Trends or TubeBuddy to find hot topics that have a steady demand. So, before you upload your next video, make sure people actually want to watch it. Step 2. Master the art of clickable titles and thumbnails. Okay, let's talk about titles and thumbnails. Your title should make people curious. Instead of "My YouTube Journey," try "How I Gained 1,000 Subscribers in 30 Days, Step by Step." See the difference? And don't forget the thumbnail. Use big, bold text, bright colors, emotion. If your thumbnail plus title are strong, people will click. And clicks equals more views. Stay till the end for a secret tip. Want to know the #1 mistake that's stopping small YouTubers from growing? I'll reveal it at the end of this video, so keep watching. Step 3. Make your content engaging. Here's the harsh truth: boring videos don't get views. If people leave in the first 10 seconds, YouTube won't recommend your content. So, here's how to make people stay. Start with a strong hook. Say something surprising in the first 5 seconds. Use fast cuts and zooms. Keep visuals moving to hold attention. Add text pop-ups and sound effects. Make your video dynamic. Small edits make a big difference. More engagement equals higher watch time equals YouTube pushing your video to more people. Step 4. Be consistent and upload regularly. YouTube rewards consistent creators. If you post once and disappear, don't expect to grow. But if you upload at least once a week, YouTube will start recommending your videos. Pro tip: plan your content in advance. Batch record videos so you always have something ready. The more you post, the faster you grow. Step 5. Engage with your audience and use YouTube SEO. YouTube isn't just about posting videos, it's about building a community. Reply to comments, ask viewers questions, and make people feel involved. And don't forget YouTube SEO. Use keywords like "How to Grow on YouTube," "YouTube Algorithm 2024, and "Best YouTube Growth Hacks." Put these in your video title, description, tags. When YouTube knows what your video is about, it will recommend it to more people. The #1 mistake that holds YouTubers back: serious but motivating tone. And now, the biggest mistake that keeps small YouTubers stuck? They don't improve. Your first 10 videos might flop. That's normal. But if you analyze what works, keep learning, and get better, you will succeed. Success isn't about being perfect. It's about progress. Now you have the Stickman Success Formula. Pick a niche. Create clickable titles and thumbnails. Make engaging content. Post consistently. Use SEO and engage with your audience. Follow these steps, and you will see real growth. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more YouTube growth hacks. And comment below, YouTube growth, if you're ready to grow your channel. See you in the next one.
Thank you.